it's Miss Loretta. It's time for another Baby Time Rhymes. What we're going to do today is the body rhyme of hands are clapping, the tickle rhyme, 3 little frogs, and the bounce rhyme, giddy up. And then I've got some books to share with you and a literacy tip. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with the body rhyme of hands are clapping. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, my darling. Next we're going to do is feet stomping. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp your feet, my darling. Arms are flapping. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Flap your arms, my darling. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do that a second time. So, and when you're doing it, I mean, it's real easy to sing a little bit faster, but you want to be able to go slow enough that your child can actually do the motions. And as they get a little older and they know it and they can do it, then you can speed up a little bit. So, hands are clapping. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Hands are clapping, clap, clap, clap. Clap your hands, my darling. Feet. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Feet are stomping, stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp your feet, my darling. Arms are flapping. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Arms are flapping, flap, flap, flap. Flap your arms, my darling. Okay, and that's our body rhyme, hands are clapping. Next, we're going to do our tickle rhyme, which is 3 little frogs. We're going to start on the hand and go around. 3 little frogs asleep in the sun. We'll creep them and wake them, and then we will run, and we'll go all over the belly. So, 3 little frogs. 3 little frogs asleep in the sun. We'll creep them and wake them, and then we'll run, run, run. So do little tickles all the way around. So, okay, 3 little frogs asleep in the sun. We will creep them and wake them, and then we'll run, 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 run. Okay, so that's our tickle rhyme, 3 little frogs. Next, we're going to do a bounce rhyme called giddy up. So this has got some fast and slow, and at the very end, we're going to go whoa and go back. So giddy up, ride to town, giddy up, up and down, giddy up, fast. Giddy up, slow. Giddy up, whoa. Okay, so that's our bounce rhyme, giddy up. So we're going to do that again. Giddy up, ride to town, giddy up and down, giddy up, fast. Giddy up, slow. Giddy up, whoa. So that's our bounce rhyme, giddy up. And so that takes care of our body rhyme, our tickle rhyme, and our bounce rhyme. And what I have for you today are nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes are actually very good for kids, even though they're kind of hard to understand what they are. But they're really important because they actually help break down the language, expose them to a lot of new vocabulary words. And what you can often do, and is really fun because then you've got the advantage of singing, is sing the nursery rhymes. So, I mean, like we've got Snuggle Up with Mother Goose, and it's got a whole bunch of different ones. So, I mean, you could sing Bluebells, Cockle Shells, Evie, Ivy, over, and just whatever tune works out. You'll notice that a lot of them actually have a natural rhythm to them that you can use. So we've got this one, and it's got a whole bunch of different ones, and I'm sure that it's probably going to have some that you never heard, unless you're a connoisseur of nursery rhymes. Nursery rhymes, rise and shine. And again, so ring around the rosy, pocket full of posies, and you remember that from a child. That was always sung. Then the Itsy Bitsy Spider, which we normally sing. And this particular one by Annie Kubler, it actually has the signs, sign language signs to do with it. And then, of course, then there's just your simple Hickory Dickory Dock. So there's ones that have multiple nursery rhymes in it, or there's ones that have taken one and expanded it or done several verses that they may be of those. Also, what you can do with nursery rhymes, like there's some that have a name in it or a little space. So like you can add the name like patty cake, bake me a cake for baby and me, and you can very easily substitute your child's name or a special little name that you use for that. But make sure when you do that, you also always use the traditional one so that they know what that is, which also helps them to know you've specialized it with their name just for them. So that's basically what I've got for you. Oh, one more thing about with the nursery rhymes. There's studies that show that children that know 8 or more nursery rhymes by the time they're 8 years old are 80% more likely to succeed in school. So have fun with those nursery rhymes. Who knows? Maybe you'd like to make up some of the same kind of thing on your own. So that's all I have for you for now. Thanks for coming. Hope to see you again soon. Bye now.